Welcome, take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. This is your time to relax, reset, and care for your skin. Skin cleaning is not just about removing dirt, it is about respecting your skin, understanding its needs, and allowing it to breathe, heal, and glow naturally. Step 1. Create a calm ASMR space. Wash your hands slowly, tie hair back, dim the lights, breathe deeply, slow movements, gentle sounds only. Step 2. Gentle oil cleanse. Apply a few drops of cleansing oil, massage in circular motions, focus on nose, chin, forehead. This loosens blackheads naturally. Step 3. Warm steam, 3 to 5 minutes. Use warm, not hot. Steam opens pores gently, helps soften blackheads and trapped oil. Step 4. Mild foaming cleanser. Apply a gentle cleanser, massage slowly for 60 seconds, do not scrub harshly. Step 5. Rinse with lukewarm water, let water flow softly, do not rub, just pat dry, skin should feel clean, not tight. Step 6. Gentle exfoliation, 1-2 times weekly. Use chemical exfoliant, AHA or BHA preferred. Avoid rough scrubs, focus only on blackhead areas. Step 7. Blackhead softening mask. Apply clay or charcoal mask, thin, even layer, leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 8. Remove mask slowly. Rinse gently, feel pores breathe. Never peel aggressively. Step 9. Optional extraction, only if trained. Use clean tools only, very light pressure, stop immediately if painful, warning sign # never force blackheads. Step 10. Cold water splash. Splash cool water, helps close pores, refreshes skin. Step 11. Calming toner. Use alcohol-free toner, apply with cotton pad or hands, pat gently, slowly. Step 12. Acne treatment, spot only. Apply salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide only on active acne, small amount. Step 13. Lightweight moisturizer, gel or oil-free cream. Massage slowly upward, lock in hydration. Step 14. Optional facial massage. Light fingertip movements improve circulation, relaxes facial muscles. Step 15. Finish with SPF, daytime. Non-comedogenic sunscreen, gentle application essential for acne healing. Step 16. Skin observation pause. Pause for a few seconds, gently observe the skin, notice redness, texture, or calm areas, no touching, just awareness. Step 17. Hydrating essence application. Apply a few drops of hydrating essence, use slow patting motions, help skin absorb moisture deeply. Step 18. Pore refining serum. Choose niacinamide or zinc serum, focus on nose, cheeks, chin, light pressure only. Step 19. Under eye cooling touch. Use ring finger. Soft tapping under eyes reduces puffiness and stress. Step 20. Skin barrier repair serum. Apply ceramide or panthenol serum, strengthens skin barrier, very gentle spreading. Step 21. Acne calming gel, aloe vera or cica gel. Apply thin layer on acne prone areas, cooling and soothing effect. Step 22. Pressure release massage. Light upward strokes, relax jaw, cheeks, forehead, no dragging the skin. Step 23. Spot healing treatment, dab treatment only on active pimples, avoid spreading, let it settle naturally. Step 24. Skin resting time. Hands away from face, allow products to absorb, 1-2 minutes of calm. Step 25. Lightweight night cream. Use oil-free, non-comedogenic cream. Massage gently in upward motion. Step 26. Lip care, often ignored. Apply hydrating lip balm, slow circular movement. Step 27. Neck and jawline care. Apply leftover product, gentle upward strokes, never forget the neck. Step 28. Final cooling touch. Use cool spoon, jade roller, or fingertips, helps calm pores, very slow movement. Step 29. Breathing and relaxation, close eyes, deep inhale, slow exhale, let skin and mind relax together. Step 30. End of routine seal, soft smile, no more touching. Allow skin to heal overnight. Step 31. Overnight healing focus. Skin enters repair mode, no touching, no disturbance, let products work quietly. Step 32. Pillow hygiene reminder, use a clean pillowcase, reduces acne-causing bacteria, cotton or silk preferred. Step 33. Hand-to-face awareness, keep hands away from face, prevents new breakouts, conscious relaxation. Step 34. Hydration from within, drink a small glass of water, supports skin healing overnight. Step 35. Temperature balance, sleep in a cool room, avoid sweating on face, helps calm inflamed pores. Step 36. Overnight spot patch, optional. Apply hydrocolloid patch on pimples, absorbs fluid gently, no pressure, no picking. Step 37. Mental calm for skin health. Release stress from the mind. Stress directly affects acne, slow breathing, calm thoughts. Step 38. Body position awareness. Try sleeping on your back. Reduces face friction, keeps products intact. Step 39. Trust the healing process. Acne heals slowly, naturally. Consistency matters more than force. Gentle care always wins. Step 40. ASMR night closure. Soft whisper. Your skin is safe, calm, healing. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. End routine peacefully. Step 41. Morning skin check. Gently look at skin in the morning. No judging, no squeezing. Observe progress calmly.